Welcome back to Nature's Dark Side, the place where beauty and danger collide. If you're new here, I'm Sripama and this is my brand new series, Nature's Dark Side, where we'll be exploring some creepiest, deadliest, and most terrifying secret of natural world. And in our last episode, we explored zombie parasites, the tiny invaders that hijack living creatures like remote control puppets. But today, we're stepping into a much deadlier world. This time, nature isn't interested in controlling you. It's here to kill you. Our journey today is split into two halves. First, the animal assassins armed with venom so fast acting it can end a life before help arrives. And then the silent plant killers that have been claiming victims for centuries. Let's start with a word you're going to hear a lot today: neurotoxin, a type of poison that attacks the nervous system, shutting down the brain's ability to control your body. Imagine your muscles refusing to move, your lungs forgetting to breathe, and your heart slowing to a stop, all while you're fully aware of what's happening. That's the nightmare neurotoxins create. And one of the deadliest neurotoxin dealers on earth is the Inland Taipan, also called the fear snake. First discovered by scientist Frederick McCoy in 1879, this shy Australian reptile carries venom so powerful that a single bite could kill more than 100 human beings. Its venom is called active venom. Venom that doesn't just sit there, but goes to work instantly, binding to nerve cells within minutes and leaving you with less than an hour to get treatment. Now picture this. You're swimming in clear blue waters in northern Australia. Suddenly something brushes against your leg. You see nothing, but your skin starts to burn. You've just met the box jellyfish. Its almost invisible tentacles, that is, long, slender arms extending from its belly, are lined with millions of microscopic stringers called nematocysts. Each stringer fires like a spring-loaded weapon, launching tiny harpoons into your skin, each one delivering a dose of neurotoxin strong enough to cause cardiac arrest. Since records began in the late 19th century, this creature has claimed over 70 confirmed lives in Australia, though experts believe the real number is far higher. From the ocean's floating ghosts, we move to quiet geniuses, the blue-ringed octopus. Barely the size of a golf ball, it's beautiful to look at right up until it bites you. Its saliva contains tetrodotoxin, a chemical 1200 times more deadly than cyanide. And speaking of cyanide, that's another poison that stops your cells from using oxygen, essentially suffocating you from the inside. Tetrodotoxin works in a similar way, but even faster. Victims can be completely paralyzed within minutes, trapped inside their own body, unable to move, speak, or even breathe, but still conscious until the very end. The animal kingdom doesn't play fair. It's equipped with weapons that science still struggles to fully understand. But the plant world is no less ruthless. From the deadly nightshade, whose sweet-looking berries hide alkaloids that can cause delirium and death, to the machineal tree, whose sap can burn flesh and whose death apples have ended lives since the 16th century, plants have mastered the art of killing slowly and silently. The aconite plant, nicknamed Queen of Poisons, was once used by ancient warriors to coat their spears. The rosary pea, with its bright red seeds, has been responsible for countless accidental deaths as its aberrant toxin makes cyanide look like table sugar in comparison. Whether it's a snake injecting neurotoxin with lightning speed, a jellyfish firing harpoons of pain, an octopus lacing you with tetrodotoxin, or a plant quietly shutting down your body, nature's message is clear. Some beauty comes with a death sentence. And in the next episode, we'll meet killers that don't just hunt individuals, they hunt entire populations. This is nature's dark side. Thank you everyone for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode, which is going to be more interesting, informative, and in fact very terrifying too.